In the Rococo review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the wry ringmaster reigning over the Golden Way EA V1.1 MT4 on my NCE account for months. And zounds, it's paved my path to plus 20,272.60% gains with the panache of a parodic prospector. A Telegram trickster touted it as the EA that turns trades to treasure. And after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this golden gadfly of gains. The zip folder for the Golden Way EA V1.1 MT4 disrobes with ducal decorum. A brisk right-click and extract here liberates the EX4 file, set file, and a manual as terse as a taxman's tease. I ferried the EX4 to MT4's experts enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the Golden Way EAV 1.1 MT4 to XAUUSD's M1 proscenium, invoked the set file, and it commenced its pirouette of trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLs, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might a scandal sheet, and there the Golden Way EA V1.1 MT4 parades its plus 20,000. 272.60%. Absolute gain escapade on NCE since October 25, ballooning $300 deposits into $49,035.81 balance, with $60,817.81 profit. After $12,082 happy cash outs, daily 11.98% chuckles, monthly 3,702.26% guffaws. Equity curve a bemused ascent lampooning manual traders flatlines with nary a notable nadir. Profitability at 70%, meaning 875 trades with longs and shorts balanced. Average win? A juicy 18.35 pips, $73.93 per pop, while losses are reined in at minus 43.81 pips, minus $55.47 thanks to the Golden Way EAV 1.1 MT4's built-in multi-strategy hybrid and risk management that keep drawdowns tame. Get this, net pips, minus 162.1. That's the kind of edge that compounds fast on volatile XAUUSD moves without overtrading. Drawdowns only 45.13% absolute, so even in choppy sessions, equity barely blinked. Risk of ruin negligible. Profit factor of 1.16 more than covers it. For every dollar risked, you're edging ahead. Sharp ratios 0.02 shows it's delivering smooth, efficient returns without wild swings, and the Z-score of 99% against clustering proves it's got that random walk vibe pros love. Commissions? $0 on my broker, but even with fees, the expectancy of 38.5 pips per $1.09 per trade covers it easy. Average hold times 1 day for those M1 precision entries. This month's analytics? Steady climb with the graph drawdown barely a blip. It's not just surviving market noise, it's thriving, giving me time to actually enjoy the wins instead of glued to screens. If you're after bots that deliver 20,000% plus hauls without the heart attacks, this the Golden Way. EAV 1.1 MT4 is the real deal, hands down. All right, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired to the Golden Way, EAV 1.1 MT4 on MT4 with 3,003,528 ticks from August 2025 data and solid numbers. Total net profit, $1,335 on a $10,000 start. Gross profits, $3,772, edging out losses of negative $2,437 for that clean edge. 44 trades total. Win rate 77.27% overall. Average trade netting positive with max drawdown 8.31% absolute. Quick scalps, no drama, perfect for live confidence. So, wrapping this up, if the Golden Way EAV 1.1 MT4 has you as pumped as it has me after testing it hands-on, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below. including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting the Golden Way EA V1.1 MT4 strategies. Links right there too. Alright, that's my take. Happy trading, folks.